Hello friends! Today I want to share 5 Ukrainian proverbs that are still common, but to me they sound outdated. I will explain their literal meaning, their traditional interpretation, and then give my personal view on why they don't really fit modern thinking. So the first, моя хата з краю, я нічого не знаю. Моя хата з краю, я нічого не знаю. Literally, my house is on the edge, I know nothing. Traditional meaning, don't interfere in other people's businesses. Stay away from trouble. Yes, but my view today, the attitude justifies indifference. The word becomes better when we take part, when we help, react, and protect. Closing yourself in your own house is refusing responsibility for our common space. Of course, if it's about someone's private relationships or matters that truly don't concern us, it's wise not to interfere. But when it comes to global issues or making a positive change in the world, saying my house is on the edge, it's not an excuse. So the second, краще синиця в руках, ніж журавель у небі. Literally, better a tit in the hand than a crane in the sky. Краще синиця в руках, ніж журавель у небі. Traditional meaning, choose the small but guaranteed thing instead of chasing something big and uncertain. My view today, this sounds like advice to avoid risk and stay small. But if you have dreams and ambitions, you should pursue them. Playing it safe all the time may protect you from failure, but it also prevents you from growth, So, 50-50. Third, кожна жаба своє болото хвалить. Literally, every frog praises its own bog. Кожна жаба своє болото хвалить. So, traditional meaning is people tend to praise what belongs to them, even if it's not good. So my view today, it's okay to violate what it is yours, but using this proverb as an excuse for mediocrity is wrong. If your work is poor, just saying it's mine, so it's good, it's not enough. Instead, we should improve, accept criticism and aim for better quality. I think so. I don't know. 4. Хто рано встає, тому Бог дає. Literally, he who wakes up early, God gives to him. So, traditional meaning, early risers are rewarded. Hard work starts with an early morning. Yes, but my view today, productivity is not only about waking up early. Healthy sleep, energy, and working smart matter more. If you don't get enough rest, waking up early won't bring blessings. It will just ruin your mood and efficiency. But in any way, хто рано встає, тому Бог дає. 5. У тихій воді чорти водяться. So what does it literally it in still waters devils dwell. У тихій воді чорти водяться. So what does it mean? Behind calm appearances there may be hidden danger. Be careful with people who seem too quiet. My view today, as a warning, it can make sense, really. But as a general worldview, it creates mistrust and suspicion. Quiet people are not automatically dangerous. Critical thinking and facts should guide us, not prejudice. Yeah? So, but in any way, у тихій воді чорти водяться. So, conclusion. Proverbs are part of cultural heritage, but they reflect the worldview of another time. Today, it's important to rethink them, to choose those that inspire growth, kindness, and responsibility, instead of those that justify fear or indifference. So thank you. I hope it's helpful, and see you. I create these videos to help you train your listening skills and get used to real Ukrainian. But in my lessons you get much more. We work with my own conversation club practice, where you improve your speaking. So go ahead and book a lesson on Preply. It's an international platform for online learning where you can easily and safely find me and schedule your classes. You'll find the link below this video or in my profile header.